Hello, our topic for today is passive SATs. So, ano bang pinagkaiba ng active sa passive? Ang active natin, yung agent, yung importante. So, active, kung sino yung gumagawa ng action. So, agent, yung important. Kapag naman sa passive, ang important dito, yung action, yung handlung, yung important dito. So, what is, eto, bigay tayo ng example. Mag-start muna tayo sa present tense, sa passive. So, ang formula natin kapag gumagawa ng passive, present tense, is yung werden. Okay, present tense ng werden. So, you have to memorize the conjugation of werden. Ich werde, du wirst. Example, sie, es wird. Ganun. Wir werden, ihr werdet, sie werden. Okay? So, plus participe zwei. Ano ba yung participe zwei? Ito yung past participle. Okay. For example, the active sentence, the agent is important, kasasabi natin. So, yung agent dito, yung doer of the action is yung doctor. The sentence is, the doctor operates the man. So, the arts operiert den man. Active sentence. This is important, yung doer. But in passive, the important is yung handlung, kung ano yung action na ginawa. So, babaligta rin siya nun. Ito yung mauuna. Okay? So, der man, and then, present conjugation ng werden sa third person, RCS. Magiging wird. Okay? Der man wird von dem Arzt operiert. Ito yung past participle. Okay? So, etong, kung sinong gumawa ng action, it's not important sa passive, but you can also include using von. Von is the preposition of dative. That's why here is dem, kasi masculine si arts. Okay. So, again, the formula is present conjugation of werden plus participe zwei. Yung participe zwei, the past participle is on the Satz ende, the ending of the sentence. Okay? Next natin, preteritum passive. So, una, ang diniscuss natin sa present tense. And now, the tense in the preteritum or the simple past. Okay? Preteritum is just one word. Okay? One word. Magiging preteritum ng werden is wurde. Okay? Again, memorize the conjugation of werden in preteritum and the past participe zwei. So, the preteritum of our first sentence active, the Arzt operierte den man. So, our verb is operieren, to operate. Yeah. So, ngayon, operierte na siya kasi this is the preteritum of operieren. So, ngayon gagawin natin siyang passive. The formula is the preteritum of werden. So, magiging wurde. And then, the past participle of operieren is operiert. So, der Mann wurde von dem Arzt operiert. Usually, ito yung mga common na ginagamit sa passive Bericht, sa mga reports or sa charting kapag nurses kayo. Okay? Next natin, perfect passive. Okay? Perfect passive, ito yung present perfect. You have the helping verb. Pero dito, it's just the presence von sein plus participe zwei plus worden. So, paano naman siya? Sa active natin, der Arzt hat den Mann operiert. So, you have the helping verb here, haben or sein. Sein kapag moving, kapag nag-change ng state, ganon. So, haben plus past participle. Okay? Or participe zwei. This is the perfect tense. But you will make it passive. Paano? With this formula. So, der man, uunahin ito, itong object. Usually, nauuna yung object sa passive. Kasi nga, ang importante sa passive is yung handlung natin. So, der man, present form sign, ist, Partizipsweise operiert plus worden. Der Mann ist von dem Arzt operiert worden. Okay? Let's discuss. So, we've discussed 3 tenses. Okay? Present, preteritum, and perfect. Okay, ngayon, discuss natin yung sein passive. Meron tayong tinatawag na das sein passive. Das passive mit werden. Dito muna sa verb, i-compare natin yung passive sa werden and passive sa sein. Okay? Das passive mit werden bezeichnet einen Vorgang oder Prozess. So, you are describing the process. Yung process na nangyayari. So, you are answering the question, what happened? Or what is happening? What happened or what is happening? Okay? So, the example here is the Wunde, the wound, is being sewn. Okay? Tinatahi yung wounds. So, sa aksidente na injure yung driver dito. So, you are describing the process na nangyayari dito sa passive with werden. Paano naman kapag passive with sign, you are describing what the Ergebnis. Ano yung Ergebnis? Yung result. Wie ist der Zustand jetzt? Ano yung situation niya ngayon? So, example nito, yung die Wunde wird genäht, magiging die Wunde ist schon genäht. Natahi na. Okay? Beim Unfall wurde der Fahrer verletzt. Dito sa passive with sign, the Fahrer is verletzt. So, mapapansin nyo guys, die Wunde ist schon genäht und der Fahrer is verletzt. Para lang you are describing anong nangyari sa kanila. It's a simple term. It's like also adjective. But past participle adjective. Genäht and verletzt. Sabi kasi natin dito, Partizip Perfekt als Adjektiv, okay? Das Partizip Perfekt als Adjektiv hat oft eine passive Bedeutung. An example. So, yung past participle as an adjective, merong passive meaning. So, from der verletzte Mann, this is adjective, gagawin mo tong past participle, der Mann ist verletzt, o the wurde verletzt, is already a passive Bedeutung. Die genähte Wunde, so the sewn wound, so the Wunde ist genäht. So, meron na siyang passive meaning kapag past participle yung adjective mo. Because you are describing the noun. You are describing the wounds. You are describing the man. Okay? So, next natin, passive perfect. Ito yung diniscuss natin na isa kanina, na isang tense. This is just more example. Ich bin verletzt worden. So, ito si sein sa presence. Ito si past participle. And ito si worden. Okay? Next, alle sind operiert worden. This is the sign in presence. This is the past participle. And this is worden. Kaya siya sa perfect tense. Paano naman kapag may modal verb yung passive? Modal verb with passive can be used in present tense and preteritum modal verb. So, die Wunde am Bein könnte, this is preteritum, konnte leicht genäht werden. So, nauuna natin si modal verb, and then dito si Partizip 2, and then si werden sa last. So, hindi nyo siya gagawing, para rin siyang nasa presence, si werden. Yan, werden ka dito sa last. Kapag modal verb, werden ang last mo. Der Nachbar muss noch weiter behandelt werden. Das gute Ende soll richtig gefeiert werden. Again, halos nasa second position yung modal verb. Okay? And then, past participle plus werden ang formula. Okay? I hope okay siya. If not, just PM or have a comment. Okay, bye-bye. God bless.